Malosoifua, oleupo oleaso, o atili. Atili means like more, further, better, or additional. It's used a lot as a description word. And remember, in Samoan, almost always, the description is going to come after the word is describing. Like, olea'o, I will, fa'amatala atili. Explain more or further explain. Ina iato, so that you are, or in order that you are, malamalama atili. Understand more, further understand, or understand better. If you see atili before the word is connected to, you'll likely see it in a helping verb form such as atili ona, and then the word that is helping. In this way, it often means like to grow toward or enhance whatever that main word is. Atili ona malosi, grow stronger. Atili ona faigata, grow difficult. Add atili to your Samoan vocabulary. Untitled level.